I already finished my coffee. I have to clean the machines. I have to do like a back flush on both of them. So I'll show you guys what cleaner I use, how exactly I do it. I also have my Bravo that needs to get it done as well. So I'm going to do that with you guys today. And then I'm going to show you what water I use on both machines, why I've been using it. So it'll be interesting either way because I'm sure a lot of you guys have espresso machines right now. I'm serving my kids breakfast. They're entertained with the TV right now. So I'm gonna get their breakfast ready and then we'll do that cleaning later. Got back from Target. I put all the stuff away pretty much in the bags. Let me just put them to the side. I went for some necessities, especially brown sugar because we have been making a lot of baked goods. So I'm just gonna refill this. I think I should take this out right. These will keep your sugar from getting really hard, like rock solid. You wet them and then you put them in there. Just keep moisture in there. Actually, I think there's another one. This one. And the sugar is still nice and soft. I found there's no need to make brown sugar syrup. This literally tastes so good. Just a tablespoon of this shaken with your espresso is really all you need. Like there's no need to make syrup. It gets syrupy once it gets hot. So just 1 tablespoon espresso, shake it up. That's all you need. So good. Okay, I'm gonna clean this machine first. I think it has enough water, but not, the machine will just stop. This is the one that I like using. It's a powder form. I use it for both machines actually. I know Bravo has little tablets, but it's literally the same thing. It's the same thing. So we're using this for both machines. For this machine, all you need is your portafilter and the blank one that it comes with the machine. Most machines will come with a blank one and you can use the same thing to take it out. You don't need a fancy tool. I'm literally just, I don't know if you guys can see this. Like that. The machine actually has the app and all I have to do is start the cleaning cycle. Press start cleaning, gives me 15 seconds to move this paddle and then it starts. This machine, it's a touchscreen. You just go to group head cleaning, that's what they call it. And it's pretty much the same function. It tells you the last time I did it, which it's been a little too long. I'm kind of embarrassed to say. And then it gives you the instructions. Like I said, I don't have the tablets. I have the solution, but I'm still going to use this because they don't give me a blank disc. They give me this. So I'm going to put that in here, and then the solution is going to go in here. Actually, let's go back to the Larzalgo because that one is done cleaning. I'll show you what I do next. Clean this a little bit, just kind of rinse it off. And then we're going to do another cleaning, but with this empty. I'm gonna make a fresh batch of the water that I use for you guys so you guys can see what I use. This is Third Wave water, their espresso machine profile. And I have the ones that are 20 sticks, 1 stick per 2-liter water. And then I used distilled water from Target. This one is just Pure Life. I feel like I've used a few brands and they're always okay. So distilled water obviously is, I think, mineral free, anything free. It's just pure water. And this adds the minerals back into the water, the ones that are required for this machine. It prevents scaling and lime, I believe. Lime, I forgot what it's called, but my machine technician said that my machine was very clean. So I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. And this was recommended by Third Wave and then also La Marzocco machines. So that's what we're doing. This one's loud. Same thing with this one, but I'm gonna do 2 grams because the portafilter is smaller machine. Let's do 2 grams. For this machine, I use the same water. I'm gonna empty this out because I want to clean the tank. But I use the same water that I use in my La Marzocco. Someone tell me why not. I don't know. I can't see it damaging it. I don't use the filter because I use distilled water with the minerals that I add. So it should be fine. And it's been good. The coffee's been tasting good. I'll still descale it because I did use regular tap water plus the filter for a while, so I'm sure there's some scaling that could form, but going forward we're just using this water and it's been great. Before I sign off, I wanted to share this. I went to Target and I found this. I'm going to insert the view that I got at Target because they had a wall full of fall goodness. But these are the things that came home with me. The Chobani pumpkin spice creamer and the cold foam. Favorite Day has probably the best cold foams. Like all their cold foams are so good. I don't remember trying this one in particular last year. I don't know. I think this is new. So I'm excited to try this one and this one. Fall is coming. I still very much want a long summer. Like I've been loving this summer. This summer's been my favorite of all because my kids are a little older. A lot of the things we do are just fun. But fall is very cozy, very nice to look forward to. So this is just bringing me some joy today. I'm not going to use it today. I'm going to wait maybe a couple days, but just in case you guys wanted to know, Target is taking out some fall goodness for your coffee bars too. Washington style Americano is what they're calling it, where you water down the espresso with ice, white chocolate, and then they do half and half, but that's a lot. It's a lot. Sometimes I'll do like milk and a little bit of creamer. Today I just did oat milk pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Cheers.